Letter A, sound A. Letter A, sound A. A, A, A. A, A, A. A, A, ant. A, A, ant. A, A, axe. A, A, axe. A, A, apple. A, A, apple. A, A, alligator. A, A, alligator.
Story time. Ant and the apple. This is Ant. Ant is happy.
Wow, an apple. Yum! Oh no, what is that?
Hello, I cut wood.
Please be careful. I like this tree. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now they are friends.
Ant sees an apple, yum, says Ant. He eats the apple, crunch, crunch, crunch.